Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Inside Paris, Las Vegas, the design aims to recreate the feel of wandering through a stylized version of Parisian streets. The casino floor is framed by cobblestone-style patterns, lampposts, wrought-iron details, and building facades that look like shopfronts. Overhead, the painted twilight sky dome gives the entire space an indoor-outdoor illusion, allowing the resort to maintain its Parisian ambience at all hours. The shops inside the resort follow the same theme. Many of the storefronts mimic aged stonework, arched windows, and the kind of decorative balconies associated with Parisian neighbourhoods. Even modern retail brands are set into facades designed to resemble small boutiques found in older parts of France. Decorative awnings, stylized signs, and sculpted architectural details help maintain continuity between each shop and the resort's overall theme. Food is a major part of the Paris-Las Vegas identity. The resort features a wide mix of French-inspired dining, from casual cafes designed to look like classic Paris sidewalk spots, to more refined restaurants referencing French cuisine and architecture. Many of these venues feature warm lighting, carved wood interiors, and decorative elements that evoke traditional brasseries. Outdoor-style seating appears along walkways inside the resort under the artificial sky, reinforcing the illusion of a Parisian street scene. Decor plays an essential role throughout the property. Ornamental ironwork, faux vintage masonry, motifs inspired by French art, and ceiling paintings all contribute to a sense of being transported into an idealized version of Paris. Statues, fountains, and columns add depth to the walkways, while themed signage completes the look. Paris Las Vegas was built during a time when themed interiors were at their peak, and the result is a property that blends multiple aspects of French culture into a single curated environment. Whether it's a shop styled after European boutiques, the food venues referencing French culinary roots, or the immersive decor that frames each corridor, the theme shapes every corner of the interior.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.